Where's my Clau Clau? I couldn't find her. It's time to go inside now. Clau? Clau Clau? Where are you, Clau Clau? Siguro di ay. Nice. Can I find my baby? Can you spot the baby? I can't. Ooh, someone is having some fun with the Christmas lights under the Christmas tree. What are you up to? What are you up to, Clau? What are you up to there? What are you doing in there? Huh? What are you doing in there? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Uh-oh. What's that? Can you spy with your little eye? A baby under the tree. Hoy. Mag-out na ikaw. Shh. Come here. Clau. What are you doing in there? What up? Huh? Hi. Are you enjoying the lights? Huh? Are you having fun? Are you having fun over there? Is it relaxing? Clau Clau? Hi. It's okay. It's okay. Can you be my Christmas tree decoration too, Clau? Nanak, can you be my Christmas decoration too? You're so cute. You're so cute, Clau. Did you know that? You're so cute. Hi. Hello, guys. Hi. Clau, sing a song. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Huh? Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Uh-oh. Can you hear it? What's that? Uh-oh. Excuse me. What's that?
What a silly cat. That's crazy.
Daddy said you're silly.